Hey guys, I'm showing you this KOOTION 32 GB micro SDHC card. Is a 5 card pack and is come with a full size SD adapter just in case you need to go back and forth between the two formats. So here this comes, you can see a SD adapter and these are the micro SD cards. So I will just show, you can see like the quality wise this looks really nice, and this is already 100% quality inspection, and the 32 GB memory card support UHC 1 U1 class 10 V10, support full HD photo and HD video. So I'm just trying on the PC here and you can see it automatically show up that detected by the computer. So this is a radiation proof, anti-static, with the ideal for Android tablets, laptop, PC or anywhere you want to use. The camera as well, and you can see the speed of copy and paste is really fast, and it is a FAT32 that is there, and you can change to other format as well. So you can format and change the file type, and here you can also see like the speed. So the copying speed is really fast, is very nice and helpful.